AI in education, the future of learning. AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the education system in numerous ways, enhancing both teaching and learning experiences. Here are several key areas where AI can make a significant impact. Number 1. Personalized learning. AI can create personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs, abilities, and learning pace. By analyzing data on student performance, AI can identify strengths and weaknesses, recommending specific resources and activities to improve understanding and retention. Number 2. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide one-on-one assistance to students, offering explanations, answering questions, and providing feedback. These systems can be available 24/7, making learning support accessible anytime. Number 3. Adaptive assessments. AI can design adaptive assessments that adjust the difficulty of questions based on the student's performance. This ensures that students are challenged appropriately and helps educators gain a more accurate understanding of their abilities. Number 4. Automated grading. AI can automate the grading process for multiple choice, short answer, and even essay questions. This saves educators time, allows for quicker feedback to students, and reduces the potential for grading bias. Number 5. Enhanced engagement. AI can create interactive and engaging learning experiences through gamification, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. These technologies can make learning more immersive and enjoyable, helping students stay motivated. Number 6. Predictive analytics. By analyzing data on student performance and behavior, AI can predict which students are at risk of falling behind or dropping out. Educators can then intervene early with targeted support to help these students succeed. Number 7. Administrative efficiency. AI can streamline administrative tasks such as scheduling, enrollment, and resource allocation. This allows educators to focus more on teaching and less on administrative duties. Number 8. Accessibility. AI can enhance accessibility for students with disabilities. For example, speech recognition software can assist students with hearing impairments, while text-to-speech technology can help those with visual impairments. AI can also provide real-time translations, making education more inclusive for non-native speakers. Number 9. Professional development for educators. AI can support professional development by identifying areas where teachers can improve and providing personalized training resources. AI-powered platforms can also facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing among educators. Number 10. Research and curriculum development. AI can analyze vast amounts of educational research and data to identify best practices and emerging trends. This information can be used to develop and refine curricula, ensuring that students are receiving the most relevant and effective education. Number 11. Enhanced parent-teacher communication. AI can facilitate better communication between parents and teachers through automated updates on student progress and behavior. This helps parents stay informed and engaged in their child's education. Number 12. Classroom management. AI can assist with classroom management by monitoring student behavior and providing real-time feedback to educators. This can help create a more positive and productive learning environment. AI technology holds tremendous potential to improve the education system by making learning more personalized, efficient, and accessible. By leveraging AI, educators can enhance their teaching methods, students can receive tailored support, and administrative processes can become more streamlined, ultimately leading to a more effective and inclusive education system.